Are you tired of getting boring, generic answers from AI? Most office workers are using AI the wrong way, but today, that changes. I'm giving you the cheat codes to get perfect results every single time, with zero tech skills required. Before we unlock these templates, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and master AI for your 9 to 5, please like and share this video with your colleagues. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel to join our community of productive professionals. Thank you for the support. It really helps a new channel like this grow. Most office workers don't struggle with AI because they lack intelligence. They struggle because they don't know how to ask. This is the most important thing to understand about AI at work. AI does not fail randomly. It responds directly to how it is instructed. When people say, AI didn't work for me, what they usually mean is, I didn't tell it enough about what I needed. That's not a personal failure. That's a communication gap. And the good news is that this gap can be closed with a few simple prompt frameworks. Not technical commands, not programming, but repeatable ways of explaining tasks. Once office workers understand these frameworks, AI stops feeling unpredictable. It starts behaving like a reliable assistant. Let's begin with the most basic framework, one that almost everyone uses incorrectly. The PATS Context plus Task Framework. Most beginners only give the task. They say things like, write an email, summarize this, or fix this document. AI responds, but the output feels generic, awkward, or wrong. That's because AI has no idea who you are, why this matters, or where the output will be used. Strong users always start with context. They explain the situation before asking for help. For example, instead of saying, rewrite this email, they say, I work in operations, and this email is going to a senior manager about a delayed deadline. Rewrite it to sound professional, calm, and solution-focused. Nothing technical happened there. The difference is clarity. Context tells AI which patterns to follow and which ones to avoid. This single framework, context first, task second, improves results instantly. The next framework is the what, role plus outcome framework. Office workers often expect AI to just know how something should sound. But AI doesn't know what good looks like unless you define it. This is where role framing helps. When you say, act as a project coordinator or act as an HR assistant, you are not giving AI expertise. You are narrowing its behavior. For example, act as a project coordinator and write a status update for leadership. That sentence tells AI who it is pretending to be, who the audience is, what success looks like. The output becomes more focused, less verbose, and more realistic. Office workers who use role framing often feel like AI suddenly got better, even though the tool didn't change at all. The next framework is one that reduces frustration more than almost anything else. The draft plus improve framework. Many people expect AI to produce a perfect result from nothing. That rarely works. AI performs best when it is reacting to something instead of inventing everything. Instead of asking AI to write from scratch, strong users give it a rough version first. They write badly on purpose. They paste something messy and say, this is rough, improve clarity and tone without changing the meaning. This tells AI exactly what its job is. Not to invent, not to overthink, just to refine. This framework is especially powerful for emails, reports, and internal updates. The next framework is constraints plus boundaries. AI becomes unpredictable when it has too much freedom. Office workers who struggle often say, "It gave me something too long," or "It sounded too formal," or "It went in the wrong direction." That happens because no limits were set. Strong prompts include boundaries. For example, keep this under 150 words. Avoid formal or legal language. Do not change the structure. Focus only on next steps. Constraints act like guardrails. They don't restrict usefulness, they increase it. This is one of the most practical frameworks for busy workdays because it reduces editing time. Next is the step-by-step framework. AI is not good at doing everything at once. When people paste a long document and ask, "Summarize this and tell me what to do next," and rewrite it for leadership, the output becomes shallow. Advanced users break tasks into steps. They say, first, summarize this document in plain language. Then, now list risks and open questions. Then, rewrite this summary for leadership. This mirrors how humans think. AI works better when thinking is staged. This framework is especially useful for reports, planning, and decision preparation. Another powerful framework is example-based prompting. Instead of describing what you want, you show it. Office workers often say, "I want this to sound more professional," but professional means different things to different people. Instead, strong users paste an example. They say, "Here's an example of how I usually write. Match this tone." AI learns style extremely well from examples. This reduces back and forth and makes outputs feel more personal. Now, let's talk about a framework that protects you from mistakes. The assumption check framework. AI makes assumptions silently. Experienced users surface those assumptions. They ask things like, "What assumptions are you making?" or "List anything that might be unclear or risky." This turns AI into a thinking partner instead of an answer machine. It's especially useful for planning, summaries, and recommendations. Next is the refinement loop framework. Strong AI users do not stop at the first response. They expect to refine. They treat AI like a conversation, not a vending machine. They say things like, "Shorten this, make it more direct, focus more on deadlines, remove anything unnecessary." Each message narrows the output. This is why AI feels smarter to some people, not because it is, but because they iterate. Finally, there is the most important framework of all, the ownership framework. Everything AI produces is a draft. Office workers remain responsible for tone, accuracy, and impact. Strong users always ask themselves one question before sending anything AI-assisted. Would I feel comfortable sending this if someone knew how it was created? If the answer is no, it needs revision. AI should reduce friction, not remove accountability. Once office workers understand these frameworks, prompting stops feeling like guesswork. It becomes structured communication. AI doesn't need perfect wording. It needs direction. And direction comes from clarity, not technical skill. That is why prompt frameworks matter. They don't turn you into a tech expert. They turn AI into something predictable. And predictable tools are the ones people actually trust at work. Using these templates isn't just about saving time. It's about taking control of your workday so you can focus on what actually matters. If this helped you today, please like and share this video with someone who's still struggling with their AI results. And if you want more daily cheat codes for your office workflow, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.